Our feet are so special. They do so much for us all day, and we walk all over them. Isn't it time that we show our feet some love? In this video, I'm going to show you how to release tension and trigger points in your feet. And what's really beautiful about that is your feet are a reflexology map for every place in your body. Oftentimes I'll work on a client's foot and I'll say, that's your stomach. And they'll say, no, Nicole, that's my foot. But lo and behold, their stomach pain goes away because by working through our feet or our hands or our ears, everything in those areas is reflexive to the organs and bones and muscles and emotions in our body. So in this work, I like to use a lacrosse ball. It's hard, it's firm, and it's actually best to work the feet first thing out of bed in the morning. You see, when you sleep all night, you relax, and those muscles that have to engage to support the foot musculature as you step, hopefully 10,000 steps a day if you're healthy, are usually engaged as well. But when we sleep for 8 hours, they let go, and this is the best time to really get into your feet. I like to actually be in a chair or coming out of my bed. You're just going to place that underneath your foot. The reason why I like to be a little higher up is it allows me to place the weight I need onto my foot. And you're going to begin to explore in, out, up, down. The trick is to do it slowly. It's through that slow, methodical movement that you're going to find places that are tight that you didn't even know were tight. Once you find them, you breathe. You want to hold it. They say somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. I say it's different because people are different and our muscles are different. And if you want to know more of how to, I highly recommend that you watch the How to Foam Roll videos in this series. I give you a lot of other tips and tricks before you engage with foam rolling that are really important to know. This one doesn't take a lot of explanation. It's pretty self-explanatory. Step on ball, push down, roll, find next place, breathe. Make sure you drink water, and also know that it's better to do this many days in a row. You're not going to find a big difference if you do this once in a while. So maybe give yourself a 30-day challenge of a foot rub first thing in the morning, and let me know how it feels. Leave a message in the comments and please subscribe to my channel. Have a beautiful day.